Unveiling the Radiance. Glow like an orange. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into an intriguing phrase that paints a vivid picture with words, glow like an orange. This expression is a beautiful example of the richness of the English language, and understanding it can add a splash of color to your conversations and writings. So, let's explore its meaning, origins, and how you can use it in your daily English communication. The phrase, glow like an orange, is a simile that is used to describe something or someone that is radiating light, warmth, or vitality in a way that is visually striking. Oranges, with their bright, vibrant color and round, sun-like appearance, are often associated with health, vitality, and the sun's radiant energy. Thus, when something glows like an orange, it is said to be glowing with health, vibrancy, or warmth. While the exact origins of this phrase are not well documented, it's easy to see how the comparison came to be. Oranges have been a symbol of sunshine and warmth in many cultures due to their color and the energy they represent. Using glow like an orange in conversation or writing brings a lively, vivid imagery to the message, making it more engaging and expressive. This phrase can be used in various contexts, describing someone's health or complexion. After her vacation, she returned with a complexion that glowed like an orange, highlighting the beauty of a sunrise or sunset. The sky glowed like an orange, casting a warm hue over the city, expressing the vibrant quality of an object or scene. The lampshade glowed like an orange, adding a cozy ambiance to the room. To use glow like an orange effectively. 1. Identify the context. Ensure the situation or object you're describing is associated with warmth, vitality, or radiance. 2. Be mindful of the audience. This phrase adds a poetic touch, so it's best used with audiences that appreciate creative language. 3. Practice. Try using it in your writing or speech to describe anything that radiates light, warmth, or vitality to become comfortable with its usage. Glow like an orange is more than just a phrase. It's a vivid expression that can bring your English to life. By understanding and using such expressions, you can enrich your language skills and engage more deeply with your audience. We hope this exploration has illuminated the phrase for you and that you're now eager to incorporate it into your English repertoire. Happy learning, and may your language journey glow brightly.